Named after the son of Apollo, the island is one of the 220 islands in the Cyclades, located between Tinos, Syros, Paros, and Naxos, characterized by its whitewashed houses and blue doors. The island boasts golden sandy beaches, crystal-clear waters, and a lively atmosphere that attracts visitors from around the world. The capital, Mykonos Town, is known for its narrow, winding streets, pristine white buildings, and quaint cafes. Notable landmarks include the iconic windmills of Mykonos, which overlook the town, and the enchanting Little Venice area with its colorful houses along the waterfront. In addition to its vibrant atmosphere, each beach on Mykonos offers a unique experience. With its natural beauty and lively ambiance, Mykonos remains one of the top destinations in the Mediterranean, captivating all who visit.